Hello friends, it's been a while and I'm back making a new video. I have made a big mistake. Okay, not really a mistake. It's more of I gain clarity I just have new direction. So now I'm here to tell you what has been happening over the past few weeks that I've been gone. I've been making YouTube videos for a while now, and after 2 months, I kind of taken a step back because think of it this way: a balloon being filled up by helium. Once you fill up that balloon with helium, it starts to float, and then it just keeps rising and rising and rising and rising. That was sort of the same thing as me. The helium represents all the content that I prepared and all the things that I wanted to launch out, and the flight was when I released everything. But the problem with that was there wasn't any cap to it. Me thinking, all right, I'm gonna keep doing this for a while, but not really thinking like, oh, when do I need to make the change? I know as me as a single entity, not a complete huge business, it is very easy for me to be like, nope, all right, this is not working out. We're gonna make changes like immediately. And that is what I kind of did. I looked at the channel after 2 months of filming and putting out stuff out there and thought, you know what, the Era of Self isn't really prominent enough, and the character thing with what I was doing and shooting with multiple cameras and trying to make everything perfect just wasn't working out for me. And I was like, all right, cut. Time to change. I have also run into other problems like branding with myself, which I had to rectify like immediately. Because me making YouTube videos and also making TikToks, and people do hire me to make videos for them, but a lot of the people don't see me as that Nicholas, the guy who can make videos, Nicholas the videographer, Nicholas the filmmaker. They see Nicky Adopt, the content creator that is only in front of the camera, that only knows how to use his phone to make videos. It's a bit weird where I have shown up to some of these like client like these companies to make videos for them. They'll be like, can you make a video for us? Their perception of how they want me to make the video is something like TikTok, in the form of like you put music behind it and you dance to it and things like that. It's not bad, and it's not something that I do also as how I want to portray myself. But when I go into those meetings and I start asking the questions coming from the perspective of a filmmaker, I know like pre-production, post-production, this is what you want. What do you want your delivery to be? That's when they get the shock of their life and they think, whoa, this guy is now going to charge us very high because he knows what he's doing. And in the end, I don't get hired for it. I get fired for it because like, oh, they're not expecting this kind of person. So in the future, I just want to be known as Nicky Adopt. That is much easier for everyone. And this is when I start to put my foot down to say, yo, I'm gonna take this very seriously right now. Not that I've not been taken seriously before, but when it comes to like crediting in videos or introducing myself to new people, and when they ask what do, I'm just gonna keep on saying Nicky Adopt and keep my branding consistent. I'm just gonna start keeping my brand consistent from now on. So yeah, that's sort of the direction which I'm going at right now. The stuff that I've been working on was one place, a little bit about myself, a little bit about my professional work, where all of this that I've been talking about just links to just one thing, so people can just go to that one place, one website, which has everything on the Era of Self and on the different channels and how people can be part of the community. So yeah, mistakes have been made, but I guess thinking of it in the bigger picture, I've been also watching a lot of interviews with old people, how they talk about in their younger self, what they really care about. Did they go to college? Did they finish school? What do they think about all those friends that they have lost and missed and whatnot when they were growing up? And most commonly, all these people start to say like, oh yeah, this guy really hurt me when I was younger, but I didn't see him after I was 25 and we didn't really meet each other. He was just a part of my life that I learned, I gotta stay away from these kind of people. Or like, oh yeah, I had this boyfriend, this girlfriend, this like relationship, it didn't really work out, but the things that they taught me were all part of the journey and things like that. In the same manner, I personally have lost a lot of projects. I have burned a lot of bridges. I have made a lot of mistakes, but I don't harp on them for too long, knowing that there are multiple opportunities right after whatever that has happened. And that's where I'm striving towards to go make new things, basically. And I don't have to think that it's the end of the world anymore. I used to do, but now I don't. The mindset has always changed because in a few years' time, whatever happens now, I'm gonna meet new people. I'm gonna have different opportunities. I'm going to get new jobs. It's just gonna keep moving, and life is gonna just keep moving, which is what I'm striving and heading towards. As a whole, the moral of the story of this video today is it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to make big mistakes. And you have to detach yourself to think that, you know, people are not gonna really care in the long run. They might care when you approach them with your problems, but in the long run, people don't necessarily care. They're just in it for the drama. So yeah, that's where I'm at in life. That's where I'm at in life right now. I have rectified the branding problem with myself. I have also planned out where I want to bring this era of self to. I'm going to be more personal on this channel, in the sense where I tried to create this character that people can leech onto, and the Orchid Ranger tribe and whatnot. The Ranger tribe is going to stay, but I am going to be the personality now. I'm not going to have this different character that tries to bring you along a journey. You know what? Because I got confused with trying to do that sort of thing, and it didn't really work out. So I am here doing... I am basically changing it up. I'm changing it up. I'm going that new direction, and we'll see how we'll go. It's always a journey. It's never the end. And yeah, it's very hot up here. This video is fairly short because I just want to say what I've been doing, give you a little bit of insight of how you can kind of like move forward after you make a mistake. Just forget about it. It is very fine to make mistakes. The embarrassment that you have done, the shame that you have encountered, learn from it, don't do it again, and just keep it as a lesson, you know. Life journey, baby steps as always. So yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. I will see you guys in the next video, and yeah, we will start the journey as proper. We will keep going, keep moving forward, and that's all I have to say for this video. Hopefully you won't make a mistake right after this video, or you might. Just like learn from it. Yeah. My name is Nicky Adopt, and I hope to see you guys on the next adventure. Goodbye.